magandang balita, ikinatuwa po ng Malacanang ang desisyon ng European Union na alisin ang ban nito sa Philippine Airlines. Sinabi ni Pangulong Aquino na ang aksyon ng European Union ay iba yung magsusulong ng industriya sa bansa. Balikan natin ang report ni Elena Luna.
Bagaman naging abala ngayong linggo, magiliw na humarap si Pangulong Aquino sa kanyang mga bisita sa palasyo. Itinuring ng Pangulo na isang break mula sa iba niyang trabaho ang pakikisalamuha sa may 500 balikbayan na bahagi ng 8th Ambassador Consul Generals and Tourism Directors Tour of the Philippines.
When looking at your faces, I was wondering if you're all still being victimized by jet lag. I wonder if I look like you. We finished at about midnight last night going over the budget and some details about our ongoing negotiations on the annexes of the framework peace agreement with the Bangsamoro. So it took us quite a long while, and I have to admit the energy level was a bit down this morning until I read the papers, which surprisingly had tremendous good news left and right, and that's kind of unique. I think I will preserve my copy of today's paper for posterity, just in case they never repeat it again.
Isang dahilan ng pagngiti ng umaga ang pagtanggal sa blacklist ng European Commission sa Philippine Airlines.
Today, I am pleased to announce that they have made stunning progress. It began back in March with the International Civil Aviation Organization lifting the significant safety concerns that they had previously identified in our country. This led to the very good news we received just yesterday, that the Air Safety Committee of the European Commission has allowed our flag carrier, Philippine Airlines, to resume direct flights to Europe. CAAP has achieved one of its major goals, and I extend my full gratitude and congratulations to its head, General Hotchkiss, and all who worked to make this possible.
Higit itong magpapalago sa industriya ng turismo sa Pilipinas na unang araw pa lamang ng Administrasyong Aquino ay kanilang isinusulong. Sa talumpati ng Pangulo, ibinalita niya na sa 2013 report ng World Economic Forum Travel and Tourism Competitiveness Index, number 1 ng Pilipinas sa tinawag na government spending on tourism as a percentage of GDP.
In fact, last year, we breached the 4 million mark for the first time in our history. 4.3 million international tourists, a 9% increase from the 3.9 million international tourists of 2011. Not to mention, in 2011, we recorded 37.5 million domestic travelers, which surpassed our target for 2016. Might I repeat that we have already surpassed the 2016 target as early as 2011. Of course, we are always looking to improve on our performance, and so we have decided to put just a little bit more pressure on Secretary Jimenez. So from 35 million, the domestic tourism target for 2016 has been adjusted to 56.1 million travelers by 2016. And of course, 6.8 foreign tourists by next year.
Ayon sa Pangulo, ang mga tagumpay na ito ay lalo pang magtutulak sa gobyerno para higit na magtrabaho. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.